Imagine completely bypassing the financial barrier to one of Microsoft's absolute hottest enterprise data certifications. Seriously, what if you could fast-track your data career without spending a dime? Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're going to break down an incredible, limited-time opportunity for data professionals to validate their expertise in Microsoft Fabric at absolutely zero cost. Look, staying competitive in today's constantly shifting tech landscape, it's expensive. It takes time, and those exam fees are a very real barrier, especially for data analysts and engineers trying to level up. But what if Microsoft effectively paid you to validate your skills on the most sought-after data platform out there right now? I know, it sounds a lot like marketing hype, right? But the author of our source article actually woke up to a private message with this exact subject line sitting in their Microsoft Fabric community inbox. It's not spam. It's a direct, totally free ticket to prove your expertise on the platform that every enterprise is talking about right now. And let's be clear about the value here. This voucher completely covers the standard $165 registration fee for an associate-level Microsoft certification exam. It removes that financial friction entirely. So here is our roadmap for today. 1. The $165 opportunity. 2. Why Fabric matters. 3. How to claim it. 4. Choosing your certification. 5. Rules and deadlines. And finally, 6. Beyond the certificate. Let's dive in. Section 1. The $165 opportunity. First off, we need to understand exactly what this campaign is and why on earth Microsoft is just handing these out. Well, Microsoft realizes there's a massive talent gap for their new platform. Companies want to use Fabric, but they don't have the people who know how. So they created Fabric Data Days 2026 to incentivize hands-on learning through interactive webinars, structured Microsoft Learn modules, and community collaboration. The exam voucher is essentially your reward for doing the work. Section 2. Why Fabric matters. To understand why this certification is so incredibly valuable, we have to look at the massive shift happening in enterprise data architecture right now. Historically, companies were stuck with fragmented data silos. You'd have one vendor for ingestion, a totally different one for the warehouse, another for BI. This created what we call the data copy tax. You're just moving data over and over, causing latency and eating up costs. Microsoft Fabric completely eliminates this through OneLake. It's a unified architecture. Now your data engineers, your SQL developers, and your BI pros are all computing on the exact same physical data, stored in an open-source Delta Parquet format. It's a total game changer. And because of this architectural shift, certified Fabric professionals are in high demand. We're talking massive salary premiums. To put that into perspective, in the US market alone, mid-level roles are earning anywhere from $110,000 up to $165,000 a year. This certification, it's undeniable proof to recruiters that you actually understand this unified environment. Section 3. How to claim it. Okay, grab a pen because this is the exact blueprint for how you claim this voucher. You have to follow this 6-step flow perfectly. Step 1. Join the Fabric community. Step 2. Register for the event and make sure your profiles are linked up correctly. Step 3. Watch at least 2 of the technical sessions. Step 4. Complete 3 official Learn modules. Step 5. Submit the official form. And Step 6. You just wait 1 to 2 weeks for Microsoft's backend team to audit your learning logs. Like our source author proved, this system is fully automated and entirely legitimate. Once they verify your learning progress, a unique hidden alphanumeric code arrives directly in your private community inbox. No hassle, just straight to you. Section 4. Choosing your certification. Now you only get one voucher, so you really need to choose the right path. This table perfectly breaks down your options. You've got the DP-600, which is targeted at analytics engineers and focuses on Direct Lake, DAX, and SQL. Then there's the DP-700. That's for your heavy data engineering roles, dealing with PySpark and Data Factory. And finally, the newly launched DP-800, which is tailor-made for SQL and AI developers working with T-SQL, vector search, and integrating LLMs. To make this incredibly simple, just follow your current strengths. If you're coming from Power BI and you build dashboards all day, go with the 600. If you're writing Spark and building out complex ETL pipelines, the 700 is your best bet. And if you practically live in SQL and want to start building AI applications, you absolutely want the 800. Section 5. Rules and Deadlines. Listen, this is a limited time opportunity, and you cannot afford to miss these dates. Look at this timeline carefully. You must submit your form by August 10th, 2026.
Then you have to actually use your code to book the exam on Pearson VUE by August 31st. And the big one, you must sit for the actual exam by September 30th. If you miss any of these windows, the voucher is gone.
Just to clear up a few common questions we see pop up. Yes, it is 100% free at checkout. No, you cannot game the system to get multiple vouchers. It's strictly one per person. And a quick warning for beginners. These are not entry-level fundamental exams. These are tough, associate-level exams that require serious hands-on study. You can't just skim the material and expect to pass. Section 6, Beyond the Certificate. Now that you have the exact roadmap, I want to leave you with some highly important final advice. Passing the exam is fantastic, but it's really just step one. True technical authority doesn't come from memorizing a bunch of multiple-choice answers. It comes from application. Go spin up a free Fabric trial, build a real ingestion pipeline, optimize a semantic model, prove your competency with real clean code in a robust GitHub portfolio. Because at the end of the day, that is exactly what enterprise recruiters are actively searching for. We hope this explainer gave you the exact blueprint you need to navigate this incredible Microsoft Fabric opportunity. The door is wide open, so what's it going to be? Will you just try to memorize the answers for a piece of paper? Or will you actually use this push to build the real-world Fabric competency that will launch your career to the next level? Go claim your voucher, do the hard work, and take command of your data journey. We'll see you in the next explainer.